Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. Today our topic is simple pendulum. First, to understand who is the inventors or discoverers of simple pendulums. From the first scientific investigation of the pendulums around 1602 by Galileo Galilei. The regular motions of pendulums was used for time keeping by Galileo Galilei present. And second, the Christians Huygens invented in 15 1658. Christians Huygens. The word standard timekeepers used in home and office. Okay, he contribute or inventors of simple pendulum in different way. And now first to understand from simple pendulum from word. What is the word meaning of simple pendulum? Simple meaning easy. Easily we stand pendulum mean pendulum. The word pendulum's Latins come from the Latin word pendulus, meaning hanging. Mean the pendulum mean hanging. Simple pendulum mean easily hanging. Is known as simple pendulum. Is known as a simple pendulum. And also simple pendulum is an example of a simple harmonic motion. Simple harmonic motion mean the to and fro motions exist is known as simple pendulum, known as simple harmonic motion. And simple pendulum, in simple pendulum always to and fro motion exist in simple pendulums. Okay, that is the reasons simple pendulum is an example of simple harmonic motions. Definition: the simple pendulum consists of a point mass suspended from a frictionless spot by a light inextensible and string. Means this is a simple pendulum of a point mass. This is a point mass suspended from a frictionless spot by a light. Means this is a string, frictionless or a light and inextensible. Inextensible and what is intensible? Inextensible means not further stretches. This is a inextensible string, not further stretches. For example, this is a stretchable, extensible. This is further stretch. But simple pendulum string not further stretches. Both ended fix. Both ended fix. Okay, this is an example of string. Understand clearly? Again, explanations. A simple pendulum consists of a particle of mass m suspended from one end of an unstretchable massless string. Suspended from one end of an unable stretching mass of string of length. This is simple pendulum. This is massless string and massless. This is a mass and this is massless string. And this is pivot point. Pivot point mean the particular point connected on this line and also fractionless. And unstretchable, we also know not for the stretches of length that are fixed at the other ends. Fixed from this end and vibrate from this to and fro motions. For example, this is simple pendulums, and if we the force acting on the bob or the string mean force acting on boob mean mass, and also on a string, and the gravitational force Fg also exists, and the string make an angle theta with the verticals. This is a verticals. We resolve Fg into two component. We resolve Fg into two component. This is Fg cos theta and Fg sin theta. Fg cos theta is known as a radial component. Known as a radial component. Radial component. Okay. And this is a tangential component. This is a tangential component. This is tangential component. Okay. We again explain. We know that जैसे कि हम जानते हैं कि हमारे पास एफ जी का थीटा क्या है, रेडियल कंपोनेंट. एंड हाउ वी डिफाइन रेडियल कंपोनेंट? रेडियल कंपोनेंट इज मूविंग राइटली इन एन आउटवर्ड डायरेक्शन फ्रॉम पॉइंट. फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज अ सर्कल and this is radius. Means the point exists on radius of the circle is known as radial component, radially outward. And tangential component. Tangential component means the component along with the tangent point. Means this is this and this is this. This is tangential component exist here. Okay, understand? Tangential component. This is tangential component. Means we find time period. We find a time period. T is equal to 2 pi L over G. We find time period. And we only find time period for tangential component, not radial component, because radial component is fixed along string, and only tangential component move to and fro. And we count time period of tangential component, mean the time period of pendulum, mean find the time period of pendulums. And first to understand tangential component. Tangential component provide restoring force on the bobs. Means if restoring force apply, means first to apply force, then also restoring force apply due to tangential component. Due to tangential component. What is the restoring force? What is the restoring force? Restoring force is a force that is equal to the magnitude of force but opposite in direction. This is tangential component, and this sign is the restoring force. Means opposite direction. Means first to apply force, the pendulum moves toward this side, and after at the end they again moves back. Means restoring force exists. Due to restoring force they move back. That is the reasons we use negative sign for restoring force. And this is a gravitational force. We know that gravitational force G is equal to mg. We use here. And we know that Newton's second law, F is equal to ma. We use ma here. Okay, understand? For small angle, this is angle. For small angle we know that sine theta is equal to theta over theta. And this is S is a angular displacement. We know that S is equal to L theta, and we find theta is equal to S over L. We use S over L here. and we obtain sin theta is equal to L over S over L. S is a angular displacement, and for approximations, angular displacement also equal to displacement. Okay, and we use this value here. This is cancel. Okay, we use S over L here. We obtain A is equal to minus G x over L. We know that acceleration is equal to rate of change of velocity. And velocity is equal to rate of change of displacement. And we take derivatives of velocity. We obtain double derivative of displacement. Displacement is known as acceleration, known as accelerations. These value put here, and this is negative signs. We write left side with positive signs. Both are equal to 0. Okay, understand? We write again, and always this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Okay, means this is a angular frequency. Always exists here with the displacement. This is the equations of simple harmonic motion. And we find time period, and this is also equation of simple harmonic motions. We comparing both. The double derivative of x is same, and angular frequency here is G over L. We write here. This is a equation of simple harmonic motion for simple pendulums, and this is for a linear mass systems. And we compare, and we obtain the angular frequency is equal to G over L. Scale of angular frequency equal this. And both side apply square root. Okay, and now we find time period. What is time period? The complete oscillations is known as time period. This is complete cycle. We know that the angle of complete cycle is 2 pi, and this is angular frequency of the circle is omega. Then T is equal to total angle divided by angular frequency is known as time period. Now we put the value of time period is equal to G over L, and now we again apply. Mean simple pendulums, the time period of simple pendulum only exists on length and acceleration of gravity. Means if L is given, and we know that the value of G for acceleration of gravity 9.8 meter per square second. Okay, means we easily find the value of time period if two values is given. But if is angle given and also Fg given, then we use this, and also we use this. If angle given, we use this value. If it's displacement given, we use this value. This is the reason we explain the mathematical step of simple pendulum, because we find the values of simple pendulums. Okay, and last one, uses of simple pendulum. Use in metro metronomy means metronomy which help maintain the speed of a music, and also example of a mass spring systems of simple, also example of mass spring systems. And what is a Catter's pendulums? The reverse reverse pendulum for improved measurement of the acceleration gravity is known as a Catter's pendulum, is known as a Catter pendulums. This is a very important questions use. Okay.